Hi everybody, welcome to my blog, The Toronto Raptors, Canadian Media and You, a news source for the ages. In the top right corner, we have our homepage where our blog posts are located, a contact me page, my about me, where my Twitter is linked, and my disclaimer. If we scroll down on my homepage, you can see the latest from the blog, so my two most recent blog posts, and I also have a subscribe button where people can put in their emails and get notified of my weekly content. Click here. This is where my blogs are located. This was the first blog post I made last week. And if we scroll down, we have the option to comment, as I love to hear what my friends, family, and fellow peers think of my content. My next post can be located through here. Have some pictures and videos. And the option to share on WordPress, Twitter, Facebook, reblog, like, and also more comments. Back in the top right corner is my contact me page where I can be reached by email, Twitter, and through WordPress, as I love to hear if anybody has great Toronto Raptors moments, as they will all be entered to win in my giveaway at the end of the class. Also have my About Me page where it says what I'm going to school for and why I chose to create this blog. Also have my Twitter linked through this page where you can access my Twitter directly by clicking on my name, or you can scroll through and see my most recent tweets. Lastly, I have my disclaimer, and thank you guys so much for coming out.